I didn't want to wake up. I wanted to always, uh, I found sleep, I found comfort in sleep because I felt like that was my escape. I think what was tough was um, not being able to talk to anyone because I don't think anyone understood what I was experiencing. Waking up was a struggle. I didn't enjoy, and in fact I think that's something I'm still scared of. I don't like the sound of an alarm. It was a lot of effort, I think, to I think to show like everything was okay because it was not.
Why should a top Bollywood star in the first place get depressed when you've got the world at your feet?
There is this perception that if you have everything, if you have fame, money, family, etc., that why should one be depressed? I think it's important to understand what depression is and why it happens. That it's a clinical condition that is beyond your control. It could happen to absolutely anyone from any walk of life at any point in your life. And you could be from any sort of economic background or status. And I think that's sort of one of, I think, the biggest misconceptions that people sort of have. And that's actually, that's why, to answer your question, that's why I came out with my experience, because there's so much stigma attached to mental illness. There's a lot of stigma attached to seeking help. And I think a lot of misinformation about what it is and why it happens. And I think it was important for me to sort of, be a part of creating that awareness. The triggers could be different for different people, but it's something that came on very unexpectedly. And I think it was important for me to share my story, to share my journey, to share my experience with the intention of helping other people who were probably struggling with the same thing but not being able to recognize what they were going through. It is truly an honor and privilege to receive this award. In the time that it has taken me to accept this award, the world has lost one more person to suicide. That person may have been a father, a mother, a son or daughter, a brother or sister, a friend, a family member, or a colleague. Every 40 seconds, one person dies by suicide somewhere in the world. But in my love-hate relationship with the illness has taught me so much. To be patient for one, that you are not alone, but most importantly, that there is hope. For in the words of Martin Luther King, everything that is done in this world is done by hope.